Make your research ready for the academic world. Hello, scholars. Today's class is all about a very exciting, and sometimes scary, step submitting your research paper to a journal and going through peer review. Don't worry, I'm going to break it down for you, step by step, so you feel confident and well prepared. Before you send your paper to a journal, ask yourself, is your paper ready? Final draft edited, proofread and well structured? Abstract clear, concise and follows journal format? References properly cited in the journal's style like APA, MLA or something else? Tip: use tools like Grammarly, Turnitin or Scribr to do a final polish. Choose the right journal. Not all journals are the same. Look for scope. Does your topic match what they publish? Guidelines, word limit, citation style, abstract length, timeline. How long do they take to review and respond? Pro tip: read 2 or 3 papers recently published in that journal to check tone, topic and style. Alright, so to submit your paper, you'll need to use the journal's online portal. Usually, journals use platforms like ScholarOne, Editorial Manager, or Elsevier's EVIS. Now, when you're ready to upload, make sure you have the following: your final manuscript, the abstract, a cover letter, author details, and all necessary declarations, like no plagiarism, no simultaneous submission, and ethics approval if needed. Oh, and always double-check their author guidelines before hitting submit. After you've submitted, your paper goes through what's called peer review. So, what exactly is peer review? Well, it's a process where experts in your field read and assess your work for originality, quality of research, clarity of writing, and methodological soundness. They'll give comments, suggestions, and recommendations which honestly really help you improve your paper. There are actually a few types of peer review. In single-blind review, the reviewers know your name, but you don't know theirs. In double-blind review, neither you nor the reviewers know each other's identity. And then there's open review, where identities are known by everyone involved. So, what happens after your paper goes through review? Well, you'll receive a decision. Sometimes it's accepted, though, honestly, that's pretty rare on the first try. Most often, you'll be asked for minor or major revisions. Don't panic, that's completely normal. And yes, sometimes your paper might be rejected, but that's also common. The important thing is to use the feedback you receive to improve your work. Even top researchers face rejections, so just keep improving and resubmitting. Now let's talk about how to handle reviewer feedback. First, read the feedback really carefully. Try to stay calm and open to criticism, even if it's tough to hear. Revise your manuscript thoughtfully, taking the reviewer's comments into account. And don't forget to write a response letter that shows what changes you made, or if you didn't make a change, explain respectfully why not. For example, you might write, "As per reviewer 2's comment, we have clarified our sampling procedure in section 3.2. Here are a few final tips for success. Always keep a record of your submissions, dates, journals, and outcomes. Make sure you keep backup copies of all your work. It's super important to stay ethical. No plagiarism, no data manipulation. And remember to celebrate every step, even the revisions. Submitting to a journal isn't the end. It's really the beginning of your research's journey into the world. So be proud of your work, stay open to learning, and trust the process. You're not just publishing, you're contributing to knowledge.